It gives me immense pleasure to tell you about a very dear colleague, an entrepreneur of sorts, a person in whose dictionary there's no phrase which says you can't. Yes, I'm talking about Dr. Vaishali Das, a very highly reputed and skilled old surgeon, more importantly, a very humane person, a person who believes in taking people along with her in this endeavor called art odontics. Yes, I intentionally split the word because she believes that dentists may also have the skills and art in fields other than dentistry. And that's how she launched Orthodontics. Yes, we now have Orthodontics 2.0 and I'm sure 3.0 and we'll have many more versions. But to be convinced about your passion is one thing. To execute and implement it is completely another. We are so proud of you, Dr. Vaishali Das. And this evening's venture, Shame Muskan, is yet again her vision and dream. So let's sing along on this wonderful evening, Shame Muskan.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kumar Swami, for such lovely, kind and encouraging words. And I'm really happy that orthodontics is now encompassing performing arts too. And कोई भी शुभ कार्य करने से पहले भगवान का नाम लेना अनिवार्य होता है ना। तो इसी परंपरा के साथ आइए हम शुरुआत करते हैं वंदना श्री गणेश की, क्योंकि उन्हीं की वजह से है बरसती कृपा ब्रह्मा विष्णु और महेश की। And who better than Dr. Kumar Swami can do justice to this?
गजानना श्री गणराया आदि वंदु तुझ मोरया। गजानना श्री गणराया आदि वंदु तुझ मोरया। मंगल मूर्ति श्री गणराया आदि वंदु तुझ मोरया। गजानना श्री गणराया आदि वंदु तुझ मोरया। गजानना श्री गणराया आदि वंदु तुझ मोरया। सिंदूर चर्चित ढवळे अंग। सिंदूर चर्चित ढवळे अंग। चंदन भगता मानस होते दंग। होते दंग जीव जड़ला चरणी तुझिया। आदि वंदु तुझ मोरया। गजानना श्री गणराया आदि वंदु तुझ मोरया। गजानना श्री गणराया आदि वंदु तुझ मोरया। गौरी तनया पाल चंद्रा। गौरी तनया पाल चंद्रा। देवा कृपेच्या तू समुद्रा। तू समुद्रा वरद विनायक करुणागारा। करुणागारा अवघी वेगने ऐसी विलया। आदि वंदु तुझ मोरया। गजानना श्री गणराया आदि गजानना श्री गणराया आदिवंदु तुझ मोरया मंगलमूर्ति श्री गणराया आदिवंदु तुझ मोरया गजानना श्री गणराया आदिवंदु तुझ मोरया गजानना श्री गणराया आदिवंदु तुझ मोरया गजानना श्री गणराया आदिवंदु तुझ मोरया। गणपति बाप्पा।
ये हुनर, ये सादगी इस अपनेपन की मूरत नहीं देखी। ये हुनर, ये सादगी इस अपनेपन की मूरत नहीं देखी। किरदार तो बहुत देखे हैं ज़माने में, अजी किरदार तो बहुत देखे हैं ज़माने में, मगर आप जैसी शख्सियत नहीं देखी। With that, let's give a huge round of applause to our very own Dr. Kumar Swami once again for such a lovely rendition.
चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और let's listen to a song from Dr. Mandar Anjarlekar, a second generation dentist from Dombivli, but as far as dentistry is concerned. Mandar has gone on with able support of his wife Shweta and embraced donations, stage shows to an extent where he not only enjoys singing, but he enjoys doing it for deserved projects. Recently, he went to Kashmir and regaled our Jawans on the frontier. He's associated with Arohi Foundation, and all the proceeds of the stage shows, he very generously directs it towards Pani Foundation and other needy projects. Mandar enjoys stage shows and, as you will see, enjoys singing for sure.
कहाँ उड़ चली मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के, कहाँ उड़ चली ओ हंसिनी मेरी हंसिनी, कहाँ उड़ चली मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के, कहाँ उड़ चली। आज मेरी सांसों में महक रहा है तेरा गजरा, आज मेरी रातों में लहक रहा है तेरा गजरा, ओ आज मेरी सांसों में महक रहा है तेरा गजरा, ओ आज मेरी रातों में लहक रहा है तेरा गजरा। ओ हंसिनी मेरी हंसिनी, कहाँ उड़ चली मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के, कहाँ उड़ चली। संभाले हुए मन का, जीवन काल में भटक रहा है तेरा हंसा, और देर से लहरों में कमल संभाले हुए मन का, और जीवन काल में भटक रहा है तेरा हंसा। ओ हंसिनी मेरी हंसिनी कहाँ उड़ चली, मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली।
हर आर्टिस्ट, कोई भी आर्टिस्ट हो, वो सिर्फ एक चीज़ का भूखा होता है और वो होती है तालियां। अप्रिसिएशन इज एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट गाइस। हम आपकी तालियों की गूंज तो सुन नहीं सकते हैं, लेकिन हम ज़रूर आपकी तालियों की गूंज देख सकते हैं। सो राइट नाउ पुट इट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स a huge round of applause for all the orthodontics kalakars.
Dr. Mona Kakkar, a graduate of Nair Hospital Dental College, has been in practice for close to 3 decades and more now. She is the past president of the Indian Academy of Aesthetic and Cosmetic Dentistry, the sole Indian on the board of Aesthetic Dentistry of Europe, the Europe Academy of Aesthetic Dentistry. And she performed till date, I think, over 200 stage shows at all gatherings, be it a marriage function or a naming ceremony or dental conferences. She just enjoys making people happy through her singing. And as you will see, she also excels at gyrating on the stage. Mona Kakkar. Sharmika Deshpande is an endodontist, married to a prosthodontist, and it's very interesting. You know, Sharmika as a child artist has acted in movies with Jackie Shroff and Dimple, and she is a little wonder. And I use this phrase in the true sense. If you recall, the legendary Kalyanji Anandji had a talent scouting program called Little Wonders, and she was part of that program as well. She enjoys anchoring programs, and she must have hosted around 500 shows by now. And Sharmika, as you will see, when she sings, she is just part of the stage. Sharmika Deshpande. Dr. Aparna Anand, a periodontist by choice and a singer because of no choice. And I say no choice because, in most of South Indian families, the kids are compelled into learning classical music. And Aparna was no exception. She excelled at it. In fact, we call it Kacheri level singer. That's what she is. She also enjoys being filmed at lovely locales whenever there is an opportunity of videographing a song like we have today. And Aparna, apart from smile correction procedures in the dental clinic and implant restorations, enjoys singing both classical and light vocals. Dr. Shilpa Malankar is unique. She is a dentist, of course, from Nair Hospital Dental College, and she has performed, I think, over 200 shows all over the world. Yes, you heard it right. Not only in Mumbai, not only in India, but all over the world. Because she is excellent at her skills. That's voice modulation. And she has rendered her voice for many TV advertisement, jingles, serials, and whenever she has spare time from all of these, she also maintains a visa consultancy firm. So over the past 2 decades, Shilpa has been regaling audiences all over. Let's be part of that audience this evening.
मेरा कुछ सा तुम्हारे पास पर
Shantanu Das, again a wonderful singer, apart from being an excellent dentist, a graduate of D.Y. Patil Dental College, and he is very innovative because after performing since 2013 on stage, he suddenly realized he hit a roadblock in 2020, like most of us did, and he found a way out. So he today is an Instagrammer, an FB Liver, if there is a term, and of course a YouTuber. Dr. Shantanu Das, in his exemplary voice modulation that you will see when he renders both a solo and a duet later with Dr. Mandar. So Shantanu and Mandar, yamma yamma.
Fortunate to have Dr. Kumar Swamy delivering one more rendition from the retro days with the Mulayam Makhmali Awaz of Mr. Hemant Kumar.
एक रात करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौटाइए। एक रात करके करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। देखिए वो काली काली बदलियां, जुल्फ की घटा चुरा न ले कहीं, चोरी चोरी आँखों में बिजलियां, आपकी अदा चुरा न ले कहीं। यूं कदम अकेले न आगे बढ़ाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। देखिए गुलाब की वो डालियां, बढ़ के चूम लेने आपके कदम। देखिए गुलाब की वो डालियां, बढ़ के चूम लेने आपके कदम। कोई कोई भंवरी है बाग में, कोई आपको बना न ले सनम। बहकी बहकी नजरों से को बचाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए।
Having said that, let us head to a very brilliant and extremely power-packed performance, the parting performance by Dr. Shantanu and Dr. Mandar. Stay tuned.
यम्मा 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 ये खूबसूरत समा बस आज की रात है जिंदगी कल हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ हंसते हुए ऐसी शान से दीवाने जल जाएंगे अरे हंसते हुए ऐसी शान से दीवाने जल जाएंगे अरे जल्दी शमा से मिलके गले परवाने जल जाएंगे रह जाएगा यादों का धुआं कल हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ अरे रह जाएगा यादों का धुआं कल हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ यम्मा 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 ये खूबसूरत समा बस आज की रात है जिंदगी कल हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ बस आज की रात है जिंदगी कल हम कहाँ तुम कहाँ
With that, we are almost coming to an end of this awesome Sham El Muskan, a term coined by Dr. Kumar Swami. Thank you so much, sir. And guys, I must tell you all that this entire program has been orchestrated by Dr. Kumar Swami, and a lot of effort has been taken by him and the entire team. I must thank Dr. Mona Kakkar, Dr. Aparna Anand, Dr. Mandar Anjarlekal, Dr. Shilpa, Dr. Shantanu and Dr. Sharmika, and my team, Dr. Neil Mitra, for making this happen. And I did not really want to sound it like a vote of thanks, but without their effort, this would not have been possible. We are going to come up with more episodes, so stay tuned, guys.